Now, these are going to make paper style animation videos for storytelling or any kind of videos you really want. Just take a look at this 1 minute video I created using the exact method I'm going to show you.
Every great impact begins with a single idea. A vision no one else could quite see yet sketched in silence, before the world was watching. Turning ambition into motion. What once seemed impossible, reaching beyond our world, became a bold, deliberate step toward the future. As industries evolved, so did the vision. Intelligence, automation, and innovation converged, reshaping what technology could mean for humanity. On the ground, the same idea took a new shape, reimagining transportation, energy, and everyday life.
And this is one of the fastest AI tutorial you will ever skip. The first thing you need is access to the master prompt I used. Just comment paper style, I'm going to send it to you right there. Open Claude AI, you have an interface that looks like this. Paste the prompt, then Claude will ask you to choose any of these sentences right here. After that, Claude will give you one image prompt and a video prompt. Then you go ahead, tell Claude to turn it into a 1 minute video with different image prompts. And just like that, you have a complete set of scenes alongside with a video prompt. Now, copy the first image prompt, open Flow AI, change the settings to image, bump the image to 1x, paste the prompt, click here to send. And now your first image will appear like this. Go to the second image, copy the prompt, paste it, do it again in the image 3, paste it and click send. And just like that, till the entire images are done. Come back to Claude, ask Claude to give you voiceover script based on this topic, and Claude will take in your request. Copy the script, go to Noise AI. Once you're in, choose a voice narrator, paste the script and click send. Now, one last thing, since we have our images and our voiceover ready, it's time to animate them. Switch the settings to video, bump the image to 1x, tag the first image, copy the matching video prompt of scene 1, paste it and click send. Go ahead, copy the next prompt, tag the second image, paste it and click send. Each time do the exact same thing, just like that, and you have a complete set of video clip like this. Then you go to CapCut, drag them into the timeline together with the voiceover. Try to sync them to match the voice. Just like this, add any transition of your choice and click here to export.